What's up, guys? I'm working on a Seat Altea here, and the customer called me out to say that the car is flashing up the parking brake warning light. I'll just put it on for you to see. See this one? It comes on, or it doesn't come on, and then on that side it says error, nothing else. And he was worried because it's a braking system that he just wanted to get it checked out. So, I've come out and there was only a little fault in the instrument cluster saying control module faulty. There was no fault at all in the brakes, and I'm here in the instrument panel just doing that activation. So I press this button here, so that's off, and I press the button here, it just activates that light. So it's just to get me to know that it's able to control the light. There's other lights that I can test. What's the hot light? Hot light. That's the hot light, yeah? Okay. Off. So there's no way I can condemn this instrument cluster. And for the price of repairing it and the fault that he's experiencing, it's probably best to just live with it until something really serious happens. That's cool, isn't it? This is called the test picture in sensor display. Well, yeah, I'm not going to recommend any further repairs. It's going to be one of those where I just say you could have to live with it. But if it really bugs out, you could change the instrument panel completely. But I just don't think it's worth it. But if he does want to do it, that could be done.